All right, if you have a door ajar error on your dashboard, your car, your SUV, your truck dashboard, of course you're thinking, well, it's an issue with the doors not being closed good enough. Just make double sure that you do have the doors closed well, and also check the trunk. So on this Chevy Malibu, I want to hit that, the trunk release, and now it says trunk ajar. Well, look at that. Looks like my door is open. So I want to close it and then make sure the trunk is closed well. And make sure you don't have anything like a piece of luggage or something that's pushing up against your door that would make it pop open. So make sure everything's closed well, nothing's in the hinges. And then let's see if we still have that error. And now we don't have the error anymore. And of course that door ajar will stay on just if you have the door open. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.